Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Garden Life, the channel for all of your gardening needs. Make the most of your space now that we're spending more time indoors than usual. Did you know that dangerous pollutants may be present in greater quantities indoors than outdoors? VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, are the name given to these gases. You may be breathing in dangerous VOCs from products like air fresheners, art supplies, paint, and even home cleansers. But don't worry, we'll show you how to use plants to remedy this issue and provide clean airspace to match that clean workspace in today's video. Do plants really have health benefits? Can they boost your mood? Do they really clean the air around you? We're talking all that and more. These are the plants that you should have in your house. Number 1. Spider plant. One of the simplest plants to locate and care for must be this one. The spider plant might be the correct choice for you even if you have a talent for destroying plants. This cool looking plant prefers a lot of direct, intense sunlight. This one is fantastic if you own pets because it's non-toxic and tough. Many times a week, watering is required for this plant. One NASA study claims that spider plants are excellent at removing formaldehyde from the air. It might not be as effective as this study suggests, but keeping one around will ensure that you receive the most from its purifying health advantages. It is also said that this plant can eliminate xylene and carbon monoxide. It's a little known fact that spider plants produce spiderets, which you may cut off and repot to produce new spider plants. Before we go to the next plant, remember to click the notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Number 2. Snake plant. Oh my! Spiders and snakes? Fear not, we're still talking about plants. And the snake plant is yet another very low maintenance plant. It can tolerate a wide range of light levels, so it should be fine in most places. It prefers to be on the drier side, so you shouldn't need to water it every day. You'll be fine as long as that room receives some sunlight. This plant, which also purportedly removes hazardous substances like formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, toluene, and trichloroethylene from the air, has a really cool appearance. Number 3 are chrysanthemums, sometimes known as mums. They are a great option if you want to add some color to your living room or kitchen. They are available in a variety of colors, including as white, orange, yellow, and pink. Beware! This one is poisonous to both cats and dogs. Keep these plants moist and in sunlight while they are indoors. You can also plant them outside when it's warm. Mums top the list for air cleaning since they supposedly eliminate common contaminants including formaldehyde, xylene, ammonia, and benzene. You have around 6 weeks to complete the purifying process because they only function when the flowers are in full bloom. Number 4. Weeping fig or ficus. The weeping fig is one among the top contenders for cleaning airborne contaminants, including formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, which can accumulate from carpet and furniture cleaners or stain removers. However, cats and dogs are equally harmful to this one, so keep them away from your pets. On the plus side, they require little maintenance. Simply keep them out of direct sunshine, away from drafts, and water them only when the soil is almost completely dry. They can also grow to be rather large, which, depending on your living situation, may be a benefit or a drawback. Number 5. DRACAENAS. For those of you looking for something a little different for your house, this plant is ideal. In fact, there are more than 40 different varieties of DRACAENAS to pick from. Injurious poisons like trichloroethylene, which can come from household paint strippers, varnish removers, and even adhesives, are said to be removed by these plants. Beware! This substance is dangerous for your canine companions as well. Make sure you place it in a space that receives a few uninterrupted hours of sunshine because this plant requires a medium quantity. Make sure you have room for this one because they can grow up to 10 feet tall. Let's go to number 6, English ivy. Here's one that, of all places, you can keep in the bathroom and is quite simple to maintain. English ivy is supposed to lower levels of trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, xylene, ammonia, and benzene, which may be present in many salon products. This makes it particularly wonderful if you like to color your hair at home. This plant is also fantastic for the bathroom because it supposedly reduces mold. However, your cats and dogs cannot handle this plant, so if you have any furry family members at home, make sure it is out of their reach entirely. Give it plenty of water and make sure it gets a couple hours a day in the sun. Number 7 is peace lily. Even just considering a peace flower is calming. When in bloom, these lovely shrubs produce magnificent white blooms. This plant is renowned for its high rate of transpiration. This implies that when you water it, the water actually acts gradually to restore moisture to the space. This lessens the amount of dust in the space and helps soothe any eye, nose, or mouth irritations. According to one study, plants like these can cut down on dust by 20%. This one needs a little more maintenance to remain content, but if you're up for the task, you'll be rewarded with lovely lilies. This one simply needs morning sunshine and is poisonous to animals. You can spray the leaves while making sure the soil is consistently moist. Number 8 is aloe vera. In our list, this plant is one of the most generous and also one of the easiest to care for. The soothing gel of aloe vera, which is an immediate treatment for burns and wound healing, is derived from aloe vera. In addition to blisters, insect bites, psoriasis, eczema, and other skin disorders, it's ideal to have on hand in the kitchen for immediate burns or wound relief. Just remove one of the spikes to release the crystal clear liquid inside. This plant, which thrives in direct sunshine, is said to help purge the air of pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene, which are present in floor finishes and detergents. Just to let you know, this plant is also poisonous to pets. Here are some of the health advantages you'll experience from adding plants to your home now that you know which plants to watch out for. When dangerous pollutants are trapped in a home, they can be released again as less harmful byproducts. In addition to the NASA study we previously discussed, other research demonstrates that keeping indoor plants can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in a household by up to 10%. The effects on your mood. Certainly, using plants to improve your mood will help you feel a bit better every day. According to this book, stroking supple or smooth plants can make you feel more at ease. Moreover, plants can help us develop empathy, which is the capacity to comprehend the emotions of others, something of great value in daily life. One study found that taking care of a plant may make you feel more compassionate, and those who take the time to care for their plants are far more likely to take care of others. Even better, if you have a flowering plant, as simply the sight of flowers may instantly make you joyful. According to a study, they can also help improve memory function. Holistic treatment. Whether it's the straightforward activity of gardening oneself or simply strolling through a garden, some people use gardens as therapeutic. Ever strolled through a stunning public garden? One of the many advantages of holistic therapy is how relaxing it is. According to research, HT can help patients with schizophrenia, depression, dementia, and even advanced cancer maintain better health. Plants are a terrific addition that can improve your relationships, lift your mood, and possibly even increase your productivity. If plants aren't for you, some research claims that even a photograph of nature will have a comparable effect. Note that some plants, especially those with blooms, might aggravate allergies, so do your research before bringing any plants home. Do you intend to go buy more plants for your house then? Which of these plants is your favorite? We would love to hear from you, so please tell us in the comments section below. Well, those are just a few examples of plants that you can keep inside your homes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and hit the notification bell for more videos related to gardening.